Okay, so I'm Žan. I'm from company Marovt. We've been developing digital twin for scheduling in this project of Change the Twin. My role in company is I am the development programmer in the company, and I've been in charge for leading for this project and developing the digital twin. About Change the Twin, we heard from University of Maribor. There is laboratory for discrete simulations, and they told us about those projects, and we heard from them, actually. Yeah, not really at the beginning, because this is our first project, and at the beginning we didn't know how things goes, but we have great support from both and also from University of Maribor and Digital Innovation Hub from Slovenia. They helped us and we managed it. We faced a lot of challenges actually, mostly with developing stages, because we didn't know actually where to go. We have a lot of distractions because we think that we have to do something different, and we have a lot of changes between the development. So I think that the biggest problem was with organizing data, but we think that we already had good data, but data was the biggest problem. Implementation without developing was, I would say, approximately 3 or 4 months, with all the changes that we did after first implemented at first test. Yes, 3 months, 4 months, something like that. I would say that the most valuable input was those meetings that we had with him. He told a lot from his experience, and he guided us through all the challenges and gave us his examples, what he thinks that we are doing wrong, what will he do, and stuff like that. We think that our business improved with digital twin, mostly because after implementing the digital twin, our staff is more relaxed. Digital twin helped them with decisions, and also workers in the production know their plan for longer horizon. They don't know plan just for 1 week, but they know what we'll do in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Yes, we both, all from our companies, would recommend Change the Twin. It's great experience, and it's something new for the company, and I think that all companies can have something good from project like that.